We are about to watch the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace.
I don't know if you can hear me in the wind or not. So we're headed to Buckingham Palace to see the changing of the guards.
That's ours. I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just took the famous double-decker London bus, the red bus, and now we're getting ready to take the underground from South Ealing to Greenhorn, something like that. Go see Buckingham Palace.
We got here at 9 o'clock this morning and there was hardly anyone out here. We come back 30 minutes later and it's crazy. It's just gonna get busier. And it doesn't even start for another hour.